Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by using an admin account and backing up important files so nothing is lost. Open Settings, go straight to Windows Update and hit Pause Updates to stop immediate installs for up to 7 days. While there, set active hours to prevent automatic restarts. This helps control timing. If you want fewer downloads, enable a metered connection. Make sure you understand that limits other network activity. Once done, we'll move to longer-term blocking measures. Next, you'll stop the Windows Update service to prevent new downloads. Open Services. MSC, find Windows Update, click Stop and change Startup Type to Disabled. This halts the service until you re-enable it. If you have Windows 11 Pro, open Group Policy Editor and set Configure Automatic Updates to 2, which only notifies you. If group policy isn't available, use a registry change instead, but always export the key first so you can revert safely. Make sure to run these steps as administrator. Finish by adding firewall rules or hosts file entries to block Windows Update servers for a stronger stop, but be careful. This can affect other Microsoft services. When you're ready to receive updates again, re-enable the Windows Update service and reset group policy/registry settings. Then click Check for updates to verify. If something breaks, undo the changes, then run sfc/scano and dism restore health to repair system files. If the problem persists, restart and repeat the repair steps, or restore from your backup.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.